What's going on, guys? Arthur Early here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so listen, real quick, if you don't follow me on Facebook, right now, go ahead, give me a follow on Facebook. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, as well as hit that bell notifications to get when my latest videos are coming out. Alright, so let's dive right into it. Today we're going to be talking about a new opportunity that's out there called the List Leverage. Okay, this is a system that I'm going to go over with you today. Basically, I'm going to do a back office review and a compensation plan review, and I'm show you exactly what it is, how you could leverage this system to make money online, guys. Alright, so I did really quick jump into it. Let's go ahead and log in. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to notice is it takes you to your dashboard. Alright, the dashboard is basically where you see your stats, where you see how many leads you got coming in, how much money you've made, things like that. So in the dashboard, if you go to the left, there's going to be a fast start. This is pretty much the where you need to be. And this is going to have you show you and have everything set up for you once you come into the system, guys. And I want to go over that with you right now, okay? The first one is you're going to build your list. It's going to show you exactly what you need to do to go ahead and start building a list. Alright, to show you how to optimize high-ticket commissions and how you're going to make high-ticket commissions and how you're going to do multi-income streams. Now, I told you guys in the very beginning of this video that I'm going to go into these different streams of income. So if you stick all the way to the end of this video, not only am I going to share every single one of these income streams with you, but I'm also going to show you a way to go ahead and leverage this system to make another high ticket commission, okay? And obviously what solo ad vendors to use and what advertisers to use, guys. Alright, so they also have a Facebook group, alright? And I'm going to show you on a Facebook group right now. I'm going to show you exactly what the Facebook group is. Here it is right here. It's called List Leverage Members, guys. Okay, it grows every day. They have trainings. They do Zoom webinars, guys. And once again, I'm just going to show you the List Leverage page on Facebook so you could join once you become a member. And if you want to know more about this opportunity, guys, go ahead and click that link below. Get started with List Leverage. But let's go on. Okay. Second one is, guys, is bonuses. And before I go into bonuses, guys, I just want to let you know that I am part of this system. I just recently joined, and I went all in, guys. I went to the highest level that you can go to earn the highest amount of commissions. And to be honest with you, that is how you make it online. You have to go ahead and basically go to the highest level so you can earn the highest commission, guys. It's really not rocket science on how to do this. All right, so what you're going to see next is only a part of the higher levels, okay, which are the bonuses, which are going to show you how to do your leads, how to advertise on Bing, and how to drive traffic on Facebook, right? Very, very, very easy way. I'm actually watching this video, going over this video right now, and it's very, very informative for those of you that are brand new into this system. This has a lot of video training for you, okay, so that you can learn and comprehend. If you don't understand something, you can go back and watch the video a couple of times and use the strategies, guys. These are leaders that have made millions of dollars online, showing you exactly what they're doing, what's working for them, and how to make money, and they're sharing that information with you guys. Alright, so the next one is leaderboards. That's showing you who's on top, who's the big dog. You always want to rank up on those leaderboards, guys. You guys always want to go ahead and try to push, and should be a personal goal of yours to make these leaderboards, guys. I've been on a couple of leaderboards myself, and this is not going to be another, this is going to be absolutely another one where I'm going to be on the leaderboard of this opportunity again. They also have badges, guys. I want to show you a very, very interesting system. So right now when you get in, if you get in, like I said, this system's been out for about 3 or 4 days. I got in immediately. It makes me a founding member. Once you're a founding member of the system, guys, you're going to go ahead and get extra bonuses and extra marketing tools to use, that if you had waited, okay, that you won't be able to get. So if you have an opportunity right now, guys, I would highly encourage you to jump in, become a part of this, get those extra bonuses. The link is in the description below to go ahead and join. But as you can see, I'm a founding member. I'm a super affiliate. That's the top level that you can be at. And I'm all in, meaning I bought every single one of the products at the highest level. So once again, I can earn the highest commission, guys. Very, very important. Another thing that they do in the system is they do daily calls. Daily Zoom calls, daily live calls, marketing tips, marketing strategies, guys. The owners of this system really want you guys to succeed with this system. I'm telling you right now, once you see somebody and they're seeing what they're doing, you're going to want to duplicate their actions and follow them and for them to show you exactly what it is. And then you can get some tips and tricks from other people that are in the system. And that's what the power of a daily call is, and also a daily system. Okay, so you can understand exactly what it is. This tab over here is traffic monetization, which I'm actually going to go into depth with you in a little bit further into this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end, guys. Okay, the second one's are products. Okay, I joined the system. What products do I get with this system, guys? And I'm going to show you exactly what it is. You're going to get access to over 200 email swipes. Okay, over 200 email swipes that basically it's cut and paste. Very, very simple, and it's all targeted to your list. All right, so if you've been in this other opportunities before, obviously you have a online marketing business opportunity list that are people that are looking for business opportunities. These emails are targeted for those people. Okay, guys. Also, you have webinars. These webinars in right here are not the average run-of-the-mill, okay, webinars. These are, look, for example, guys, I'll show you this right now. This is a 3-hour, all right, a 3-hour webinar. All right, the next one is a 2-hour webinar. Okay, another almost 3-hour webinar. Another almost 2-hour webinar, guys. And this shows you exactly what it is, guys. Marketing funnel, how to make a funnel. The marketing commandments, the things that you guys need to do in order to make it online. Okay, why blogging sucks. Blogging is dying, guys. All right. Power Profits. Guys, look at all these webinars that you get access to with this system. I mean, let me tell you something, guys. When I started online, if I had the tools and the systems like this, I would have already been past a millionaire. Okay, I would have been waiting for 8 figures instead of 7 figures, 6 figures, guys. I'm telling you that right now. All right, so these are the products. Also, you're going to get some lead capture pages. Guys, they're not out right now. They're being built as we speak. You're going to get 12 to 13 highly converting lead capture pages, which I'm really, really excited and that I cannot wait for. All right, so you have a market, you have a dashboard, you have the products, what they sell. You have a marketing system, a done-for-you marketing system, guys. Okay, that sets up your links for you automatically, guys. All right, so you have nothing to worry about here. You have emails written for you. You see that? Emails written for you in this system, along with the emails that you're going to get. If you're into banner advertising, guys, you put your banner out there. I have a great resource to get your banner out on the internet. I'll put the link below as well. I've gotten some already off of that system already. And guys, remember when I was telling you about the webinars and I was telling you about the lead leverage system? Watch this, guys. Training. Hours and hours of training. I'm telling you guys right now, for what they're charging for this system, you should be paying. I would say you should be trained triple of exactly what you're going to get in this system, guys. Also, this is a team building system, so there is duplication. Very, very important, guys. Duplication in this, reoccurring. and residual. All right. Leads, what your daily leads are, going into the system, checking on your leads. They automatically get sent out to a autoresponder, which is great to have in any online marketing system. The system does all the work for you. You don't have to sell the product. You don't have to email. It's all done for you. All you have to do, guys, I'm telling you right now, for the new people out there, all you have to do is drive traffic to the system. That is it. Drive traffic, and that's it. You're good to go. All right. The next thing, guys, is going to be events. They're holding a Ultimate Leverage event, it's called, this November in Atlanta. Okay. All the information is right here. Listen, guys, I don't know if you've ever been to a marketing event, but you're going to absolutely want to do whatever it takes to get yourself to a marketing event. This is where the meat and potatoes are, guys, of anything. This is where you get to sit with the people that you see making it online and making it happen. This is where you get to see them and rub shoulders with them and actually go ahead and pick their brains. All right. So this system has it all. As you can see here, guys, I already got my ticket. We're good to go there. And this is your business, guys. So what I want to do right now is I want to get into exactly how you're going to make money with this system. You know, I was telling you earlier in the video to stay tuned. I'm going to be all the way at the end. That's fine right there. So the first way you're going to make money in this system is the system itself, which is the list leverage system. Okay, you're going to get paid through the list leverage, which is the marketing system, which I just showed you guys. You're going to get the viral lead up passive capture pages. You're going to get the automated follow-up emails, and you're going to get the highly converting VSLs. Okay. So you're going to get all of that with the list leverage system. The next one is you're going to get an autoresponder, and I'm going to go back here to products. I'm sorry, I apologize. I'm going to go back over here to dashboard and show you the fast start and go to the right here where it says your autoresponder. This is another way you're going to get paid through SendShark, which is an autoresponder, which you get paid a recurring commission. All right. And the third way that you're going to get paid is through a traffic software suite, okay, which includes a traffic optimizer and a traffic academy, which is going to get your name out there on the rotator. Okay, guys? So you can earn, once again, reoccurring commission with that. These are reoccurring. This is not residual. This is reoccurring. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into the like affiliate type commission. Okay. Once somebody joins your team, they have an option to buy traffic. Okay. And I'm going to show you exactly where you can go and buy traffic right over here. Order from Traffic Authority. And I'm going to show you the packages that you can buy. As you can see here, these are all the packages. Now let's go. Now let me show you something, guys. If one person comes in and buys a diamond package from you at $83.97, you're gonna get a $4,100 commission. All right, guys, that's a high ticket commission. You know, it's good to get commissions off of $220 at 50% commissions, guys, which is you're gonna get $110. But this is where the money is right here in this diamond traffic package. And this is where you got to go ahead and want to leverage yourself to get to, so you could start making commissions on this. So if you buy this traffic package and you bring somebody in on your team that makes this traffic package, you get paid commissions. And guess what? If you don't, then you get passed up to somebody like myself that has positioned themselves to make that kind of commission, guys. All right. So here's the deal on that, guys. This has been a review of the list leverage system and a mini review of the compensation plan. If you want to know more about the compensation plan, you could join by clicking the link below, guys, and get into this Facebook group, and it would tell you everything which you need to know in regards to the commission, guys. If you're interested, befriend me on Facebook, send me a message. Also, you could go ahead and comment down below in this video. So until the next video, guys, I will see you later. Peace.